in a hallway again. Or maybe it's just a heat pipe. The old walls breathing like they remember us still. The lamp by the kitchen hums all night, half the bulb gone dim. Yellow light on peeling paint, your coffee cup still near the sink. I keep meaning to move it, I don't. Outside tires hiss on rainy streets. Someone laughs downstairs at 2 a.m. And every little sound inside this room keeps turning into you again. I swear I heard your jacket fall from the back of that wooden chair. But when I look, nothing moved except the curtain near the window and smoke curling through the air. I've been sleeping on one side of the bed, like the other half might still come home. Stupid, right? Yeah. There's dust collecting on the record player, needle stuck inside that old jazz tune. Same trumpet crying soft and low, like midnight trapped inside a room. And I still talk to you sometimes under my breath, while washing dishes, while tying my shoes, while staring too long at nothing. God, silence can get so loud. And every hallway, every streetlight glow, every stranger wearing your cologne pulls me backward, like memory ain't memory at all. The smoke still hanging in the lungs. Smoke of peace floating slow above the table, through cracked windows, through tired hands, through all the words we never said. Smoke of peace, I still breathe you in at midnight. Even now, even now, even now. And maybe love don't leave completely. Maybe it just changes shape when nobody's looking. Hear the radiator shake, hear the building settling, hear my heartbeat trying not to call your name. Oh yeah. Last week I found your note inside a coat pocket, crease off from too many winters. Just groceries, milk, cigarettes, oranges, nothing important still. I sat on the floor holding it, like it could answer something. I think that's the hardest part, not losing you all at once, but losing you slowly, in objects, in shadows and habits my body kept alive after you were gone. This apartment learned your absence too. The walls echo different now, even the floorboards stopped expecting your steps. So I opened every window tonight, let cold air rush through the rooms, let the curtains breathe wild, let the city noise spill inside. And for the first time, I didn't beg memory to stay. I just stood there, watching cigarette smoke disappear into the dark, thinking maybe peace ain't forgetting. Maybe peace is finally letting the exit beside you without asking it to leave. Smoke of peace rising slow into the ceiling, through old scars, through empty halls, through the ache we carry quietly. Smoke of peace, you're still somewhere in these shadows, soft as dust, soft as rain. And I finally stopped running from the ghost inside your name. Even now, I still feel you. drifting through this room. The lump still hums, the city still moves. The coffee cup stays by the sink, and the smoke keeps floating slow through everything.